After this video, you will be able to create animation video very quickly and easily and quickly gain followers and earn money on social media platforms. Don't worry, you don't need any skills to do this, because in this video I will show you step by step how to do everything. Like and subscribe to the video for more videos like this. The website we are going to use is called Adobe Animate from Audio. As you can see, you can select any character you want from the characters section. There are dozens of characters. I'm choosing this character, and you can adjust the size. You can put it anywhere you want on the screen. Select how the background will be from the background section. There are dozens of backgrounds here, or if you want, you can add a photo of your own as a background. What I'm going to show in this video is that we're going to put a video in the back and do animation. For this, I choose the background color green, and then we will erase the background and put a video. From the size section, we select which format your video will be in. My suggestion would be that you create content for TikTok or Instagram Reels. In this way, you will be able to gain followers faster and easier to create. For example, you can use this artificial intelligence to interpret any video or to tell a story. But trust me, we haven't started yet, because what comes next is mind-blowing. So if you want me to make more videos like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. I'm going to put a Minecraft parkour video in the background in this video and tell a story. For this, we need to voice over the story we are going to tell. You can voice over this video yourself if you want, but I know that many of you will not want to use your own voice. That's why we will use artificial intelligence for voiceover. As you know, there are dozens of text-to-speech websites. You can use any website you want. I will use the murph.ai website in this video. I want him to voice over the text I want. Since you can't download the audio without paying for this site, I'll take it to the audio recording. I use OBS Studio for this. I'll record the screen and convert the video I recorded to MP3 format. We upload this downloaded audio into the Adobe Animate from Audio website and upload it and turn on the Enhance Speech option because I want the audio to be better quality. As you can see, our video was created in seconds. You can make a longer video. I made a short video to show you. We are downloading this video to our computer. Now I'm going to show you how you can put a video in the background. For this, you need to download CapCut, a free video editing program. First, we need to find a video to put in the background. I'm going to download a Minecraft parkour video. I'm downloading a Minecraft parkour video from YouTube. We are uploading this video to CapCut, and we are also uploading another video that we created from Adobe. We put the videos on top of each other. I'm enlarging its size so that the parkour video takes up the entire screen. Then we select our green screen video and enter the cutout section from the right side. We will remove the green background from this part. We select the green color from the color picker section, and when we increase the strength and the green background disappears. When you press the B key, it will perform the cutting operation, so you can cut the part of the video that you don't want. You can select a scene by pressing the key. You can mute the video from the left side. We can add an auto caption to our video from the text section. Just press the Create button and the subtitle is ready instantly. You can change the font or size of the text from the right part, and our video is ready. We click on Export and then click on Export again. Now you will be able to produce such content and increase your number of followers.
In this video, I will tell you about a story that happened to me. One day I was traveling on a bus and someone slapped me.
Start making money online today. In the comments section, write down which country you live in, so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for your country. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. We are showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you like our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you want to be rich in 2023, write yes in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.